Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called April Showers, May Flowers. The host of this collaboration is Deborah Cabasa Home Living. The Grace Life DIY home decor, that's myself. We have Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle, and we have Amethyst Adventures. Now we do have to incorporate an umbrella in the tablescape. So let's get started, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and link the host and their channel links down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure, guys, and for watch the videos, subscribe to our channels and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss April Showers, May Flowers. Now, as in all collaborations, we ask you to follow YouTube etiquette. So let's get started. Now, as you see here, I'm going to go ahead and decorate the tabletop here, my coffee table. And I'm going to play a little bit of music as I go ahead and continue decorating. And I'll see you guys at the end. Now let's talk about the table. So the tablecloth, I thrifted at the Salvation Army. And believe it or not, all of the items that are already on that table were all DIY'd. Didn't they come out beautiful? Especially that purple floral arrangement. Now these little umbrellas, well, I'm only going to put one on the table today, but I got like 6 of them in different colors. These are one of the cutest things I have ever received. These were gifted. Now, guys, you will see me moving things around until I feel comfortable with the way they look. So that's what I'm doing here. Now, because it's Autism Awareness Month, I decided to go ahead and place the puzzle pieces on the table. And of course, we're going to be lighting the candles. And then we're almost ready for the reveal. And of course, my Nala is in the background. So, of course, I want to take a moment and thank the host, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, for hosting this collaboration along with everyone else who was hosting. So, if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless.